is Bo here, and today we're gonna be playing robots. This is kind of weird. Yeah, let's go. They say this is like survival or some crap. I don't know. Just gonna have to find our way around. You know what I mean? Okay. What is this? This is really weird. Oh, they send robots from these little mini things. That's pretty cool. Really? Double kill? Infinite ammo. Max ammo. Well, it's technically not max ammo because it's infinite, so... Oh. Door here. I'm gonna save my money for, like, weapons and stuff. So... Die. Give me that. Oh, God. Run. I got more ammo. Whoa. What is this? Oh, okay. Thing. Holy crap. I gotta run. Up here. Ooh, this is nice. Yield. That's nice. Die, please. Oh my God. Oh God. Must run. Holy crap. So I really can't buy anything. That's horrible. I have no ammo. Nothing. I don't have anything. I don't know what is this? Open ammo box. Oh God, I don't have any ammo. What am I gonna do? Run. But yeah. Why can't I get anything? Give me something. I gotta go. If only had some ammo. Oh no. I knew I was coming. Yeah, just keep going that way. Okay. Come on. Okay, we got it. Go. Okay, we got some ammo. Kill some robots with this. Many of them will die. Okay, we got some. Oh God, no. Cannot touch this. Oh, not again. We're out of ammo. Bo, you gotta be kidding. Okay, no. Go the other way. Yes, go that way. No. Go, come on. Alright. What's up? What is that? Ammo. I got some ammo. Okay. I'm gonna die, probably. No, I'm not gonna die. Is this guy ever gonna die? Are you ever gonna die, sir? Oh my gosh. Die too? Are you gonna die? Is any of you gonna die? Oh God, I'm really starting this, mofo. Let's do this. Okay, no more freaking around. Alright, it's time to get down to business. And how come I cannot? Infinite ammo. Why can't I get one of these? I have the money. I just do not understand. Hey, robots. What do you want for? Breakfast. Yeah. Some breakfast. I don't know if I should open this door. Well, I don't have enough anyway, so. And oh my god, here comes the big guy. Holy crap. Yes. Yes, run. No, no. Will you die? Die. Oh my god, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Look at my stars. I have a lot of stars. 504 stars. Let me see if I need something. Oh yeah, I'm saving up for this one. Oh wait, let me check some other ones. Oh, $1.49. Nah, I'm gonna get this one. I need about. Dang. So much. 350. No, I'm not buying it. I want to get this one. The 90. Okay, now let's just go back. Let's start this. Let's go. Alright, here we are again with this crappy pistol. I'm finna get something better this round. Spawn trap. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah. Extra damage. I technically have insta kill. And it just wore off. Well, not really, but come on, robot. I dare you, come on here. I dare you. I dare you. Spawn trap, son. Oh, you wanna come too? You wanna come too? Huh? Spawn trap. What is that? Slow motion. Oh no, I'm out of ammo. Refill ammo. You're not getting past me, son. Yeah. I don't have much ammo left, but who cares? Who cares? Here comes the big guy, and I'm fixing to die. I'm gonna get out of here. Ow! No, don't shoot. Don't. Whatever you do not shoot. No, no, no. I'm untouchable. I'm untouchable. I'm untouchable. You cannot touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, bitch. Don't touch me. Just please. Don't rape me. Please, please, please. Whoa. I'm training them right now. Why can't I melee it? Oh, I don't have anything here. Now's my chance. I got some ammo, and I'm gonna die. Holy mother of Mary! Yes, it's just what I need. Slow motion. And I'm trapped behind a corner. And ow, that hurts. Oh yeah. Run. No. You're not going to return. No, sir. No, sirree. I need just one more hit. I got 1,000. Oh my god. You gonna die or what? Holy crap. Holy crap. Hold on. Wait. I got full ammo now. What are you looking at, huh? What are you looking at, huh? I think you're just the money maker. The big one that never really dies. Just gives you money, I guess. You dead. Dunzo. You gonna die? Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, round 4, baby. Here we go. Die! Oh no. Oh my god. Wait, let me just Wait, am I gonna get some money? I got some money. Whoa. It's not that big of a deal. Yeah! Menu. Moment of truth. Let's see if I can get something. Pistols, mining. Yeah! I just bought it. Oh yeah. I think it's a switch now, is it? Wait. I don't have it? Oh wait, I think I can get it from here. Niner. I don't have it. Oh, I don't have enough money yet. I'll eat for a second. And you, sir. Oh my gosh. Perfect. My god. Ooh! Ooh, baby, a triple. It's cool. This is really cool. I like this gun. Come on. Come out here. Come out here. Swear to you, man. I'm about to shoot you if you come out. Ooh. Give me that. No. That's ammo right there. It's ammo. Ow. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Share it with other people. I really like support. Subscribe to my channel if you do, please. And what I do. Comment what you want me to play. This game is okay. I think I'm gonna be making kind of stuff about it. Yeah, it was a fun experience. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys later.